Hey guys, here again with another video. This one is I picked up a Elitedesk, I think it's an 800, Elitedesk 800 G3 Mini. And I just wanted to see in comparison what these guys compare versus like the newer style Nook PCs. This one's running a 6500 Ti, I believe. Or 6700 T processor. It is not Windows 11 capable just due to the architecture, but I'm just gonna run some numbers comparing this one to its newer version.
Hey guys, I have to interject here for a quick second. The machine that is in this video right here, we tried powering it on multiple times, but it kept blue screening. So as far as the stress tests or comparisons, I was not able to complete that in this video as well, or further videos. I did end up returning this machine just due to the fact that it would not power on. So other than that, this video, like I said, you guys can still use to see how you can dismantle the unit, and I apologize again for that. Thanks.
And also comparing it to the, like I said, the Nook style ones. I'm just gonna do a quick teardown just in case you guys have one of these machines and just needed to know how to upgrade it or do something like that. Majority of these units have basically just a slot or a thumb screw or something like that that you can undo on the back. This one just has a slider, and all you have to do is you slide it, and then the actual entire faceplate and top lid slide forward. So just like this, and then you just lift it up. So here's basically the bare bones of this particular unit. Looks like no Wi-Fi is pre-installed. It is capable of it right there. They did pre-run the wires already though, so you're good there. Man, that's just a waste of space on this M.2. Let's see here. Normally they'll have another little caddy that sits on top in case you have a normal hard drive or an SSD, like a SATA one. This one looks like it did not come with that particular attachment. But the way you get to the actual CPU, which is under this heatsink, what you'll do is the actual fan right here, you just lift it up and slide it back because it's running on little rails right there. So literally just lift it up and it should slide back unless the cable is caught on something, which it is. Right there, slide it back, comes out. Here's your also where your RAM sticks go. This particular unit, I think it's a 16 gig, just based on how dense it is. But we'll turn it on and check and see. And I'll comment here somewhere to let you guys know what the actual RAM on this one is, and also how much it's capable of supporting. But let's go ahead and undo this real quick. And then we should be able just to lift this guy up. Come on, screw. There we go. It's a very light heatsink, so it's probably not as of a powerful machine. But yeah, so that's where the CPU sits. Again, these guys have to be the T series chips just because of the power. This guy maximum is 35 watts. But yeah, we'll run some numbers just to see how these guys compare to the newer style machines. But yeah, that's basically how you take this particular unit apart. So yeah, you can add an M.2 and I'll check online to see if this one was supposed to also be able to support the SATA configuration as well, because that is the connector right there for the special SATA connection. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a quick and short video, but then, like I said, stay tuned and we will see some comparison videos next up. Take care. Peace.